Ever wonder what ultra-successful people do before breakfast? Let's reveal their powerful morning secrets. Science-backed and proven productivity strategies. First, they wake up early, often between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. Pioneers like Tim Cook, Modi, and Richard Branson swear by the pre-dawn hours to gain quiet focus before the world wakes. Next, they hydrate, usually a tall glass of water or lemon water. Rehydrating after 8 hours without fluids boosts metabolism and mental clarity. Then comes movement, stretching, yoga, a short run or workout. Leaders like Jack Dorsey, Obama, and Branson use exercise to spark energy, mood, and focus. Many successful folks, Oprah, Ariana Huffington, even Olympians, spend 5 to 10 minutes meditating to reduce stress and sharpen focus. Then they plan, journal, set their MIT, most important task, or eat the frog. This boosts willpower and clarity when it counts most. They often read a book, an article, or the morning news to stimulate the mind. Bill Gates and Obama are known for this habit. A lot of them follow journaling with gratitude lists or affirmations, small rituals that build a positive mindset and resilience. Finally, they fuel up oatmeal, eggs, smoothie bowls, balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs that sustain energy. So tomorrow morning, try one of these habits, maybe hydrate or meditate, and tell us which one you start with. Subscribe for more quick Quafax success hacks.